What is accretion of discount? Accretion of discount is an accounting and finance term used to describe the gradual increase in the value of a discounted bond or investment over time until it reaches its full face value. In simple words, it means the discount on a bond slowly disappears as the bond moves closer to its maturity date. When bonds are issued or purchased below their face value, they are called discounted bonds. The difference between the purchase price and the face value is known as the discount. Accretion of discount is the process of adding a small portion of that discount to the bond's value each period. As time passes, the bond's book value increases step by step. At maturity, the bond's value becomes equal to its face value. For example, imagine a bond with a face value of $1,000. If an investor buys it for $900, there is a $100 discount. This $100 discount is gradually added to the bond's value over its life. Each year, part of the discount is recognized as interest income. This process is called accretion of discount. Accretion helps show the true earning from the investment. It follows accounting rules that match income with time. Accretion of discount is commonly used for bonds, zero-coupon bonds, and long-term investments. It ensures financial statements show accurate investment value. In simple terms, accretion of discount means the gradual increase of a discounted investment's value until maturity. Easy way to remember. Accretion of discount means a discounted bond slowly growing to its full value.